Hey guys, we're back out in the garage, just puttering away. I kind of ran out of actual stuff to fix, so I started looking around at, what I had going, and I decided to go and tinker with an old chainsaw here and try to make something a little bit different. So I want to show it to you. It's a little bit crazy, but it's a little bit of fun too. So hey, let's take a look. Okay, guys, so let me show you this crazy contraption here that I'm putting together. So the heart of it here is a David Bradley chainsaw from the early 1960s. I believe it's in the early 1960s, and it's just a beast. It's an absolute beast. I don't even have a chain on it. And it didn't run, of course, but been working on it and seemed to have got it to fire a little bit. And then I decided I would make a blender. So yeah. So anyways, I want to show you how I did that a little bit. Now I just want to show you what this is made of. So this is just a throwaway blender that I picked up at a thrift shop that I don't even know if it was working. It was like $5 or something. But I just thought it would fit my purpose. And this is just the base for it, which I, put a few stickers on it, whatever. This is actually an upside down angle grinder. Okay, so this isn't an angle grinder. I cut the bottom of the angle grinder off. This would be where the disc would normally go, right down here. I cut the top off of it, and then I took the the impeller, if you will, for the, well, it's not really the impeller, it's what the impeller screws to from the blender. And I went and I affixed it, I welded it to the top of the blender here, to the motor, so when you turn the engine, you can see that turns. Maybe you can see that, okay? So that's really basically it. And then I just did some very basic and quick welding up of a little contraption so I could bolt it onto onto the engine. I want to put obviously a gear on each side, and yeah. So in terms of actually getting this on here, what you have to do first is put the impeller on. So that's a pretty simple process. You put this on here, and I got the impeller over here. Let me just go grab it. See if I can show it to you guys. So there's the impeller, and that goes on to, that's what's going to turn. Also, it's going to turn our blender here, right? So that goes on here, and it screws on here counterclockwise. Just twirls on just like that, and then this just goes onto here like this. Okay. All right. So let's give the thing a fire up. I was puttering with this last night, so this is the first time this is going to start today. If it starts, we're going to give her a go and see what happens. So let's see if we can get this crazy thing to work. Okay, we got that on. Let's turn our fuel on. That's probably a really good idea. Fuel's over on this side. Just opening her up. Put the choke on. Oh, got the choke on there. Okay, good. Let's see what we can do. So there you have it. Yeah, the chainsaw blender. Yeah, this should be kind of fun. I think it's whatever it is today. It's what, March 3rd, I think. March 3rd today. So it's still pretty cold outside, but I think come the summertime, or when it warms up a little bit, some margaritas in this thing are going to be kind of fun. So anyways, guys, that's all I wanted to show you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do like and subscribe. I would really appreciate that, especially as a subscription. I don't have many subscribers. I need more. Please hit that subscribe button. And yeah, more fun stuff and more things to get fixed are on the horizon. So anyways, I hope everybody's having an awesome time, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now. so there you have it. Yeah, the chainsaw blender.